looking at all the options that are available, and I'm sure we'll find one of them good enough to continue this case.
I mean, the difficulty is when someone is acquitted like that in the court, the people giving evidence against him are dismissed by the judge. Even a civil case would be very hard to build.
We don't know yet. I think the full case wasn't heard in South Africa. The judge didn't know the difference between gay and bisexual. We would like to see that first. Like I said, the case wasn't fully heard. We didn't get the complete case.
I mean, the problem is that character evidence can be excluded by judges because they don't see it as being directly relevant.
It was not a matter of character. It was actually building up the motive. The German master was not supposed to speak up. Where Shrien Dewani told him he wants a way out of this marriage. That was not included as a very strong part of the motive.
Do you think there is something wrong with the way South African justice works?
Well, I don't know much about South African justice, but we were promised a full case. We didn't get the full case. Shrien Dewani was never on stand, on the witness box for 1 second. He didn't say a word. Zola Tongo's, well, as a witness and in his statement, he had a lot of holes. Maybe if Shrien was put under cross-examination, those holes could have been filled. We don't know that.
What would you like Shrien Dewani to do now?
Like a man should do. Go on oath and speak up what really happened. He broke the first oath in India when he promised, he gave oath to the priest that he will take care of his wife, he will be faithful to his wife, he will take care of her in sickness and in health. But he was actually surfing on a honeymoon on a dating site called Gaydar and looking for dates. So I don't know how much that would be worth.
I mean, do you believe, and this is only a question of surmise, but you feel, do you, that Shrien Dewani was involved in the circumstances which led to your niece's death?
That's exactly what we would like to know. All he has spoken through Max Clifford, he has spoken through his paid lawyers. He hasn't told the court himself under oath, under cross-examination, exactly what happened. We don't know.
And can you think of any other explanation for how Annie might have been killed?
Well, we were hoping to get those answers, but we did not. And
do remind us, this is about the death of someone very dear to you. What sort of a person was she?
Well, she was a loving person, a very lively person, a personality. Today, I must thank all the South African people who have supported us, all the people in UK and the rest of the world. The family has had about 10 to 15,000 messages from all over the world. That shows how dear she was, how lively she was, and her face shows she's now she's a global daughter now.